Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Minecraft Java Edition with a gift card. Alright, so let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and search for Minecraft Java Edition. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. On the Minecraft website, you will see the different versions available along with their prices. You can also explore other platforms like Xbox, Amazon Fire, PlayStation, and more. Here, you will also see that Minecraft Java Edition is playable on Windows, Mac, or Linux. To proceed with purchasing, click on Checkout. Now, in order to proceed, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you logged in, simply click on Next button. Here, choose a payment method. Now, select the option to redeem a gift card, then enter your gift card code in the provided field and complete the purchase. So that's basically how you can buy Minecraft Java Edition with a gift card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.